Good evening, City Council. My name is Tim Beeman, Interim Assistant Director of Public Works, here to discuss the authorization to accept a federal grant of $3.8 million for the Kamala Neighborhood Water Cast Iron Replacement Capital Improvement Project. The recommendation is that the City Council accept a federal grant from the U.S. House Transportation and Infrastructure Committee in the amount of $3,806,152 with a 20% local match for the Kamala Neighborhood Water Cast Iron Replacement Capital Improvement Project C2228 and authorize the city manager to execute grant agreements, the finance director or designee to submit financial reports and grant claims and approve budget appropriations for the use of the grant funds, and the director of public works or designee to submit non-financial reports. The background on this is Congresswoman Julia Brownlee awarded the $3.8 million grant to replace aging cast iron pipe replacement. Cast iron pipe was installed in the city a number of decades ago and has reached the end of its useful life. The Kamala neighborhood was identified as the top priority and is being done as a precursor to the pavement project that will come in following capital improvement programs. The breakdown for each fiscal year is fiscal year 2023 for $2.8 million and then fiscal 2024 for $959,000. On April 13th, 2022, the city submitted an application to the Office of Congresswoman Julia Brownlee for fiscal year 2023 Interior Environmental Appropriations Community Project. The Kamala Neighborhood Cast Iron Pipe Replacement Improvement Project was submitted as it was identified in the city's 2015 Integrated Master Plan. The project consists of replacing approximately 40,000 linear feet of pipe, and that includes all appurtenances, including 1 and 2 inch services, larger services, fire services, and fire hydrants. The size of the pipe ranges from 4 inches in diameter to 10 inches in diameter. The financial impact is the awarded amount of $3.8 million shall be used to cover the project construction costs related to the CIP project. A new appropriation is required in the amount of $3.8 million in grant funds to properly record the revenue and expenditures for this grant award. The city will be matching with a 20% cost share requirement as required for the funding, and the current estimated total for all 3 phases of the project is $39 million. Additional funding will include Water Capital Fund and ARPA funding, the American Rescue Plan Act. This concludes the presentation.